First, the Supreme Court went about defining what armed robbery and robbery is. It says that robbery basically informs the taking away of something from an individual, a property from the person of the individual, without the person's consent, that through violence or intimidation, you take that property away from that person. And it also says that armed robbery just basically is now a more heightened form of a robbery because the use of arm is involved. And the Supreme Court said something very instructive. It says that whether or not that instrument of violence is used or concealed is of no moment, meaning that it is not an issue if the person or the accused used that instrument or not. So far the person is armed, that is an armed robbery. And the Supreme Court now, went further down to, break down how you can establish armed robbery. It says first, whether or not, it says first there must be an armed robbery or series of armed robbery. It now moves on further to say that that robbery itself was an armed robbery, meaning that arms were used in commission of that particular robbery. And then the defendant is one of the robbers or is the actual person who robbed the complainant, who is the victim in this case.